Okay, so the given question is an experiment succeeds thrice as often as it fails. Find the probability that in the next 5 trials there will be at least 3 successes. So let's check the solution. The binomial distribution is given by the formula p plus q to the power n, and it opens as nc0 into pn plus nc1 into pn minus 1 into q1 plus nc2 into pn minus 2 q2 plus ncn to the power qn, where p is the probability of success and q is the probability of fail. So given that the question says that p is equal to 3 times q given in the question, we also know that probability of success plus probability of fail will always be 1. So by applying these two, we can put it in the equation. 3q plus q is equal to 1. We get the value of q as 1 by 4 and the value of p as 3 by 4. Now we were given that n is equal to 5 and the required minimum is 3 successes. So by putting it into the formula p plus q to the power 5, and as the minimum success is 3, so we will go up till 3 terms, that is 5c2 p3 q2. So by putting the values here, 5c0 3 by 4 to the power 5 plus 5c1 3 by 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 plus 5c2 3 by 4 to the power 3 1 by 4 to the power 2. By solving this whole, get the answer as 459 by 512.